Beneath vibrant petals, an unseen war rages silently. Many don't realize our essential pollinators face grave threats daily. Bees, crucial for our food, tirelessly visit countless blossoms. They transfer pollen, enabling plants to produce fruits and seeds. Over 1/3 of global food relies on these tiny workers. Yet their populations are declining at an alarming, unprecedented rate. This silent crisis impacts ecosystems and human agriculture profoundly. Today, we reveal the hidden chemical threat endangering their survival. A major culprit is a class of pesticides, neonicotinoids. These systemic insecticides target insect nervous systems effectively. Bayer and Syngenta introduced them widely in the 1990s. Farmers used them to protect crops from various pests. Imidacloprid, thiamethixam, and clothianidin were common examples. Seeds are coated, making the entire plant toxic to insects. This innovation promised broad protection against crop damage. However, its widespread use had unforeseen, devastating consequences. Neonicotinoids persist in soil and water for extended periods. They contaminate nectar and pollen, which bees then consume. Even tiny doses impair their crucial navigation abilities significantly. Bees struggle to find their way back to their colony. Sublethal exposure also affects their learning and memory skills. Queen bees exposed lay fewer eggs, weakening future generations. This weakens entire bee colonies, leading to eventual collapse. Bumblebees and hoverflies also suffer similar, severe neurological damage. Their ability to forage efficiently for food is severely reduced. The impact extends beyond just bees and other pollinators. Aquatic insects like mayflies absorb these chemicals from runoff. Birds that feed on contaminated insects also face serious risks. For example, partridges in the UK showed population declines. This creates a ripple effect throughout entire food webs. Biodiversity decreases as sensitive species disappear from habitats.
Healthy ecosystems depend on intricate, balanced relationships.
Neonicotinoids disrupt this delicate balance, causing widespread harm. Scientists raised concerns about neonicotinoids for years. In 2013, the European Union restricted some outdoor uses. By 2018, the EU implemented a near-total ban on these pesticides. Canada and other nations also adopted similar, stricter regulations. Farmers are now exploring integrated pest management strategies. Consumer choices also support organic, pesticide-free agriculture. Protecting pollinators requires global cooperation and informed action. Their future, and ours, depends on these vital changes. The silent impact of neonicotinoids is now clearly understood. Understanding this threat helps us protect our world better. Let's champion responsible practices for a thriving planet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.